Hey everyone, it's Janet Adams for Bald Eagles Naturally, and today's video is all about the owl that paid a visit to the nest early this morning and startled and attacked basically V5. She handled herself very well, so no need to worry, everything's fine. But as we can see, it's about 4:15 in the morning and Mr. President just flew in to the nest. He's picking at the grasses. And V5 is now getting ready to come join him. And you'll see V5 here in a minute is going to find a stick that she decides that she wants to play with. And that should happen about now, pretty soon here. And not long after she finishes picking at this stick, she's going to go to her right a little bit and pick up a clump of grass, and the attack will take place right at that moment. And here it comes. And this is in very slow motion. She wasn't very happy either. And then we're back to real life. And then listen very closely coming up here and you'll hear a hoot from the owl. Did you hear it? If you didn't, I'm going to play it a couple more times for you. Mr. President flies off to get rid of the pesky old owl, and they're both vocalizing. And then things calm down. V5's going to jump back over to the lateral branch. And then here's the sound again. Listen. And again. And then listen to this. Anyway, after all the fuss, both Mr. President on the left and V5 over on the right-hand side here finished up, and then everything kind of went back to normal. So thank you for watching this short video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.